Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to grow the mathematics community. In this lesson, we'll be looking at laws of exponents. And under the laws of exponents, we are going to look at negative exponents rule. So join me as we go through this basic rule of algebra. Basic law of algebra. And let's move on. Now, if I have 2 divided by 8, you see that from our basic division rule, 2 will divide itself 1 and 2 will divide 8 4 times. Right? Now, from basic rule of algebra, we know that 1 divided by 4 is the same as 2 times 2. That is 1 divided by 2 squared. So this clearly means that 2 divided by 8 is equal to 1 divided by 2 squared. Let's name this equation 1. Very, very simple as that. So here, let us take 2 divided by 8 again. You know that 2 divided by 8 is the same as 2 divided by 2 times 2 times 2 from product rule. This gives us 2 divided by 2 to the power 3. Right? That is very, very simple as that. Now, this gives us, from the quotient of powers rule, we have 2 exponents, 1, that is 1, minus 3. That is to divide a number written with the same base, we subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. That is what we've done. And this gives us 2 exponent negative 2. So this implies that 2 divided by 8 is equal to 2 exponent negative 2. Let's name this one equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we can clearly say that 1 divided by 2 exponent 2 is equal to 2 exponent negative 2. Very, very simple as that. Because 2 divided by 8 is equal to 1 divided by 2 squared. And the same 2 divided by 8 is equal to 2 exponent negative 2. Then 1 divided by 2 exponent 2 equals 2 exponent negative 2. Now let's look at this simple one. If we take 2 divided by 4, here 2 divides itself 1, 2 divides 4, 2. Let's name this equation A. The same 2 divided by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 squared. And from the quotient of powers rule, we are going to have 2 exponent 1 minus 2, and that will give us 2 exponent negative 1. If we name this one as equation B, then from equation A and B, 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 exponent negative 1. So we can clearly state that if I have a certain variable A to the power negative 1, this is the same as 1 divided by A. Wow. And if I have a certain number A to the power negative of another number, then this is the same as 1 divided by A to the power of positive of that number. This clearly shows that if I have 3 exponent negative 2 I can write it as 1 divided by 3 squared. Sure. And if I have 2 exponent negative, let's say 4, I can write it as 2 exponent 4 power negative 1. This is from the power of power rule. 4 exponent negative 1. And this one can be written 1 divided by 2 exponent 4. Very, very simple as that. Here I have factorized the negative 1 out. So simple. Check it out. It is very, very simple. Very, very simple as that. So this implies that if I have A divided by B all to the power negative 1 is the same as 1 divided by A divided by B. Simple as that. So this is the negative property of exponents. Very, very simple as that. Neat and convenient. Very, very simple. So we can move this one back here. Let's try one and then move from here. If I have 1 divided by 27, is 1 divided by 27 is 3 power 3. Wow. And this can be written as 3 power 3 exponent negative 1. And this is the same as 3 power negative 3. Because we've said that if we have 1 over a power n, we get this. And this is 1 over a power n. But here our a and the power are the same. Very, very simple as that. Sure. What about having this? If I have, let's say, 1 over a power negative n, what are you going to get? Let's check that one. This one will be the same as a power negative n to the power negative 1. Because we are saying that if you have anything power negative 1, it will change to 1 divided by that thing. So here, we will use the power to power rule to make it a power positive n. That is negative times negative will give us positive. Note, it is 1 divided by, it is not 2 divided by, let's say, 3 cube. You are not saying that it is like this. No. It is 1 divided by a certain variable or a certain number to a certain power. But this one can be expressed as 2 times 1 divided by 3 cube. And this will be 2 times 3 exponent negative 3. Yes, it can be done this way. Here, you factorize the 2 out. 2 times 1 will give us 2 back. And remember, if I do this, this one is over 1. So 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 3 exponent 3 will give us 3 exponent 3. So this one can be done this way. So check how we apply it where it is applicable. Check all those stuff and then you see how it goes. Very, very simple as that. And this is the negative exponent rule. So if I have, let's say, a exponent minus 5, then I'll quickly write out 1 divided by a exponent positive 5. Very, very simple as that. Very, very simple as that. So if I have anything here, I can send it to the top. I hope it is very, very clear. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share for the video to go viral. Bye bye.